Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. Thank you for joining me. I'm sorry this video is so late. I got a cold or COVID or something and I've been down for a couple weeks. So I apologize that I am so late on getting this video out. In January and February, Tammy, Carol, and Alina and I decided to do an ATC exchange. And I wanted to share with you the ones that I sent out and then the ones that I got back, okay? Because they are so wonderful. These ladies are amazing. I just love what they have done. Each and every one of them is so special. We chose the theme of just creating what we felt as and what represented us. So that's how each of us handled the ATC. There was no theme to it. And yeah, so we will get started and I will show you. I'm going to show you mine first. So I'm going to clue that in and show you guys mine that I sent out. And then I'll come back and show you these ones. Okay. Okay. So these are the ones that I have created for this ATC exchange. I'll show you each one. This one, it says, "You grow, girl." So I'll be sending that out. As you can see, I kind of did a mixed media 3D collage on it. And let's see, here's the next one. This one says, oops, sorry. This one says "Wild and Free." And as you can see, I also did a 3D collage on it as well. I meant to say that this one has like a 3D effect in the back. So there's one in the back. This one only has the one up front. If you can see it, there's nothing in the back. Kind of looks like there is, but there's not. And then this one also is just one up front. Sorry about that. Meant to be on frame. And this one says, "You are lovely." I just love this. And on the back, I have February 2026, Charlene Studio 21. And I just put that on the back to root for the person who's going to receive those. You can see those well. And I will show you in the next frame, I will show you the ones that I received. Okay, so I've showed you mine. Now let me show you what these lovely ladies have created for me. They were so wonderful. We each sent one to each other. So that meant I received 3, Alina received 3, Tammy, Carol, they each received 3. Okay, so let's open them. I'm not going to read you the little messages. Those were to me, so I feel like those are private. But I'm the only one who didn't send extras. I feel bad. I didn't send anything but my ATC out. So everybody else sent little goodies. I love this. This is from Alina, okay? And look at this material. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to create with that. As soon as I get my health back, I am going to create with this because I just love this. And she sent another one too. Look at this. I don't know where you got this, Alina, but I love it. I cannot tell you how much I love this fabric. It is so wonderful. So beautiful. Okay, so Alina actually sent 2. One is for me and one is for Doug. Okay, so there's 2 here. My daughter saw this one and tried to snitch it. She says that's perfect for her, but it's for me. It says unique. So that's me, right? And so, yes, isn't that gorgeous? Let me hold it up so you can see. They got little gems on there. Oh, in real life, it is so sparkling cute, okay? And then she filled out the back, and she said, "Handmade with love by Alina." So there's that. And then over here is the one for Doug. And it has a little spider, and it's got a little boy. I mean, is that not cute? That is adorable. I'm so thankful that she included him. And look at this. Can you guys see the talent that went into making these? I mean, she down here even, she's got some kind of mixed media going on over top, some kind of paint. And back here you can see the whole mixed media. And this is like a wiry, kind of like what you would put on a produce bag. It's wonderful. I love that. Thank you, Alina. Oh, love these. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next one. Okay, this one is from Carol. Okay, had to look. Sorry, peeking. So Carol sent me one, and look at this. Is this not adorable? I think it goes this way because the art. So I had it upside down, but look at that. Look at all the textures, and I mean, it's just wonderful. And she cut this out like with those um, scissors. I forget what those are called right now. You know, the texture scissors. And there's just ink and paint on these. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. And this was by Carol. Okay. Hopefully I'm in frame. I'm sorry if I'm not in frame. Oh, sorry, I'm going to be losing my voice already. I was hoping it was going to last. This is a piece of fabric or washi tape. I'm not really sure. It's like a fabric washi. It's wonderful. And look how it's frayed. Can you guys see how it's frayed right there? I love this. Each part of this is so pretty. I love that. Gorgeous. Okay. And then the last one is from Tammy. So let's, now Tammy also sent goodies. She sent extra goodies in here. If there's a note, let me see if there's a note real quick. I don't want to include the note. Okay, no, I didn't put that in here. Okay, so this, she gave me, let me show you what she has sent, guys. I mean, she has sent me all kinds of goodies to use. I mean, are these not stunningly beautiful? I don't know where you guys get this stuff. I don't have anything like this in my stash. And look at this page. I mean, is that not going to be gorgeous in a journal? I just love that. Love that. And she sent me all these extra goodies. I haven't even opened this yet. So let's see what's in here. Oh, look, it's got the bunnies. Perfect for Easter. Let's see what's in here. The goodie bag, right? Oh, a bottle. I love that. Look, see, can you see the ocean in it? And a panda. That's so cute. Can't show these to my daughter. She will take them. An owl. Oh, that's so cute. That's adorable. Just, yeah, just loving. Look. I love these. I love these. These are one of my favorites. I love using those in all of my stuff. Oh, and I got a playing card. Look at that. Isn't that? Oh, it's an Alice in the Wonderland playing card. That is so cool. I can't believe you would give that up. No, no, no. You keep that. Oh, these are so wonderful. I'm just so inspired to create. I don't really have my health back yet to do that, but I'm eager to get back in here. Oh, I didn't put those away. Oh well, I would just put the baggie in there. Okay, let's see the ATC card from Tammy. Now, Tammy was not very happy with hers because at the very, very end, she put a coating over hers and it turned hers orange. But I love it. I absolutely love this. Okay, but I'm a grunge girl, so you know there is that element. But I just love all that. See how that purple just highlights the orange and the purple? It just I'm sorry, Tammy. I love it. You can make me one anytime because I think it's gorgeous. And I'm not sure what product that was that you used, but I can understand your frustration. It not coming out the way that you intended it to, but I love it. I wouldn't have known that it was a mishap. That's what I'm trying to say. Sorry, keep hitting the card. I wouldn't have known. So look at that. That's so cute. Oh, see, in your own style. That's what we did, in your own style. So I love this. Thank you so much, ladies, for participating with me. And I can't wait for our next one. The next thing we're going to do is a napkin exchange. And I'm creating a website so that you guys can go and sign up there for the napkin exchange so that everything is in one space and you guys don't have to run around the web looking for all of my information. But that's in the works. And like I said, I've been ill, so I haven't gotten everything done yet. But thank you guys so much for participating with me. This was so much fun, and like I said, I can't wait to do it again. I don't know, what do you guys think? Maybe I do a summer edition, a summer ATC. And I really want to keep it with doing your own style. So if more people want to join in on this ATC exchange, let me know. I will try to get you the link soon to the website where everybody can sign up for all of my exchanges and happy mails. I'll be getting that out at the end of this month. Okay. So thank you guys. Have a blessed day.